Alright, we got hella cameras going on right now, but this is my first POV here.
Yeah, we got the POV 360 in the back with the audio recorder in my hand and DSLR in my other hand. So here we go.
Yep.
I also got my iPhone in my pocket just in case we have some fire reels. Let's go.
Yep. It is potentially gonna rain soon.
Yeah, we've already been seeing some drops, so the descent will not be as hard as usual.
If I feel some slipperiness,
We should stop.
we should stop, yeah.
Also, there.
What a chill guy. Also, where all these trees go? I don't think it was like that yesterday. I want to be next to those guys.
Miata man. That's Lowe's Hike Chief.
This is in fact Lowe's Hike Chief. Let's go. Thank you, laddie.
I'm feeling less traction.
A little bit. I'm going like slightly less hard, but I do want to catch up to them.
Looks like everyone's leaving. They see drops of raindrops and they're
I
like,
know.
"I'm out."
It was kind of funny. That guy was trying to like mansplain to me.
I don't know what he was saying, but
He's saying like opening the hood doesn't do anything. And then I think he was telling me to like turn on the defroster or something. And I was basically trying to say like, it's not like overheating like that.
Yeah.
Like I'm not trying to do all that.
damn, she's aura farming.
She is.
Her name looks like Taylor.
Yeah, I can see that. Oh yeah.
Cop. What nice guys.
I know.
Oh, I smell rain.
Me too. Looks like everyone's stopping. That kind of sucks.
Stopping or leaving?
Similar. Oh, well they're leaving, so I guess that guy is not dead anymore.
Okay, how are you gonna be deaf and not have someone that can hear sound in the car with Bool?
I don't know. Maybe he was trying to like keep it in the family.
I think he's just okay. Not really video at all. But
That joke was a joke.
yeah.
It's not that wet yet. That man's back there is like really slowed down all the way.
I wonder if they slow down because of cop or...
Maybe. I'm not seeing too many ocular activity at ATM.
Okay, that's crazy how the guy that rescued them was sitting right there.
Yeah, he was.
Like, good job, I guess.
Yeah, he just like dragged some people out. Oh, he's up on me again.
Wait, that was hella fast. What the fuck?
I think he just like decided to start bullying.
Yeah, everyone.
Oh yes. Oh, he's telling me with like op.
Yeah, I thought he was giving you like a wave.
Yeah, me too. Everyone's telling us about the cops, but like where they at though?
Probably where the mountain is.
Oh yeah,
It's gotta
I
be
guess.
close to
I mean, we saw them, so I guess can't say we saying too much like that. Dip.
This is a good turn. Dip.
Oh, scrape.
Shit.
I like smell something after that.
Like burnt like plastic or something.
Yeah. God damn it.
That C6 is there, damn, look even lower than yours. I guess
His car looks lowered, yeah. Every Corvette that looked cool is like probably lowered.
Wow, this guy also almost died.
Yeah. He was like getting up on my butt. I think the rain it might potentially be going away.
Oh, they're the cops.
He's up on my butt.
But I see blue lights.
Yeah, I know. Like we're going the speed limit right now. This is like still fun. Oh yes. Thumbs upping the cops who would just like save some guy's life. Yeah, that's how it be sometimes.
Well, they're doing their job.
They are doing their job.
Like, I'm sure they appreciate the compliment.
Like I don't like cops who give me tickets, but I like cops who save people's lives.
Yeah, yeah. I feel like I rely on sound for a lot of cooling.
That's true.
Oh wow, CR1.
Oh my.
Crap, we didn't get to see a CR1. Nah, the closer we're getting, the more it feels like it's not going to rain.
Yeah, but I'm just like not seeing drops anymore, so
True.
let's see if I can get a little less.
Oh.
All right.
I like how all the front wheel drive and all wheel cars are